Let's talk about retiming clips. Here I have a 20-minute video of some footage from a New York street. And in this example, I'm going to take out a few sections that I want to see more clearly than the rest. So I'm going to take these sections here. The rest I still want to see it, but a lot faster. So I'm going to take all these clips and press Command R to retime. I'm going to adjust the speed on all of these to 250%. But if I don't check one of the boxes in that dialog window, I'm going to have these gaps. So let me undo and show you again. Command R to retime, and this time I'm going to click Ripple Edit to 50, enter. So now I have these clips sped up with no gaps in between. Now I'm going to select the bottom clips, Command R to retime, and this time instead of a speed, I'm going to set a duration for all of them to be. I want them all to be 10 frames long. Now we can zoom in, backslash to see everything on the timeline. Now we have super fast, a slower fast, a super fast, and a slower fast. With those sped up so much, I'm going to try retiming these as well. Let's go to 2500, and now we'll check it out. Super fast, a slower fast, super fast, a slower fast, etc. I might not use this for street footage, but I do use it a lot when making recipe videos. I'll speed up the stirring a little bit, but while I'm waiting to see the next ingredient added to cut out the dead time, and without having a jump cut, I'll speed up those moments extremely fast. Like many of my other examples, I want to get the edits as close to the final product as it will be in a fast way, and then I can go through it again and make small, precise cuts. In this example, I did exactly what I wanted to do and got 20 minutes of footage down to under 20 seconds. And this may not be exactly what I want, but it's a lot easier to adjust these 20 seconds than the 20 minutes I had before.